Shantavia Cain did not have a typical journey to GSAT, but with every success story, there's hard work, passion, and determination. She joins us now with CEO and founder of Edufocal, Gordon Swaby, who is no stranger to us here in Smile Jamaica. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
All right. I'm going to start with you, Gordon. Edufocal, doing so well. Excellence Awards.
Yeah.
Talk to me about that.
So, what Edufocal is that we make learning fun for students. We make GSAT and CSEC prep fun.
Nice.
Every year for the last 5 years, we celebrate the success of the students on our platform at an annual awards ceremony called the Edufocal Excellence Awards. So, this year, Shantavia was our top Edufocal GSAT student, and I mean, it was truly an amazing ceremony. With the support of our sponsors, BCIC, Quartz Optical, the CB Group, and others, we were able to give Shantavia over $50,000, $50,000 cash prize, which was sponsored by BCIC. We gave her backpacks, and just really celebrating her success on the platform.
I want to tell you something. Which school Shantavia August, September? Tell them the Shantavia.
Wilmer's High School for Girls.
It's a shame I can't go to Wilmer's Girls, right?
Couldn't go nowhere else, Shantavia. Student of George Headley Primary.
Yeah.
Talk to me about this. Top GSAT student in Edufocal. First of all, why Edufocal? Why did you use Edufocal?
Because I learned faster using technology. So that when I cannot sit and read books, I like to use computer and tablets. So it gives me more time and it gives less time.
Yes.
And you finish quicker.
How are the GSAT results? I know they must have been awesome, but tell me.
Yeah, they're good.
Yeah?
I could have done better, but...
But how were they? How were they?
They were good.
How were the grades like?
Mathematics was 95. Social Studies 98. Science 93 and language arts 92.
So you could have done better than 98 and 95. And is it 110 you didn't want to get, Shantavia?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And, Daily, I think it's important that we contextualize her journey. Not many people would know, of course, but Shantavia has, optical nerve damage. And one of the things that we did on Edufocal was that we actually increased, it's as simple but had such a profound impact on her. We increased the font size on the Edufocal platform. And as a result of that, she was better able to, to utilize the platform to prepare for her exams. I mean, she will probably want to speak a little bit more about that. But, that I think is important. And I mean, in whatever way we can help the students, we go above and beyond in doing that. And, we're really happy about her results.
Before I speak to her, Gordon, that's important because I find that a lot of times there are students who don't maximize their potential, and it's because of all kinds of underlying issues. Yeah. And as educators, it's important that we find what they are and try to assist them.
Yeah, absolutely.
And you're saying Edufocal has been able to facilitate this for her.
And, really, we try to make GSAT, as we know, can be a very, very
tedious
tough and tedious exam.
You know how much parents fail GSAT?
There you go.
Yes.
And, despite her issues, I think Shantavia answered over 300,000 questions on the Edufocal platform. Imagine 300,000 questions on paper and how much work that would be. And, to have her, despite her issues, rise on the Edufocal leaderboard and be number one, I think is truly
it's amazing.
Yeah.
Talk to me about it, Shantavia. How difficult has it been for you?
It has been very difficult for me because when I go to school, my eyes usually hurt me and I have to stop working for like half an hour.
And give them a rest.
Yeah. And my teacher usually understands and he usually lets me stop working for like an hour, and after that I start back.
Okay. But when you go on the Edufocal platform, you can spend a little bit more time.
Yeah, because the font is larger.
Yeah.
So I can see it better.
But I'm interested though, what's going to happen? Is it something that can be corrected?
No, it cannot be corrected.
Cannot be corrected. Yeah. Okay. So, but you're managing it so well.
Yeah, yes I am.
Yeah, man. Some adults wouldn't be able to manage it. They would have said, "I can't bother." So you're a tenacious little young lady.
Yes, I am.
What's your ambition? What do you want to become when you get older?
A pediatrician.
And I believe you that you're going to be a pediatrician because you got the greatest school in Jamaica. Touch me again, chat.
I imagine you went to.
Oh, Gordon, come on. But are there stories like this that are common throughout Edufocal. She went to George Headley Primary. Does it also allow students who wouldn't be in a particular demographic to access education a little bit easier, a little bit more, because some people can't afford the extra lessons or the private tutor, and Edufocal allows them to do that?
What we found is that people who are not necessarily able to afford the extra lessons, the extra that extra class from teacher, they're the ones that really utilize Edufocal. Because for them, they can access their the videos, they can access the study guides. Thousands of questions are there for them, and I mean, going through our partner schools, we're in over 50 schools that we partner with, where it would normally cost 1,500 per month. It costs 2,500 GMB for a year's access to the platform. So Shantavia would have leveraged that through our partner school, George Headley Primary. And I mean, it has worked wonders. We've been around for 5 years, and all of our top Edufocal GSAT students over the last 5 years, they've gotten their first school of choice. Before Shantavia, there was Janelle Layla. She got close to 100 in her exam. She's a champion. Before her, it was Danielle Lindo. Also got her first choice. She's a champion. So we're really, really fortunate, and we're always looking for more people to join the Edufocal platform. Of course, it's accessible at edufocal.com, or we can be contacted at 784-6717, or you can email us at hello@edufocal.com for more information.
It's awesome. We say every child can and must learn.
Absolutely.
And it means we have to find ways to facilitate that learning process.
Absolutely.
So I'm glad Edufocal was able to help Shantavia realize just the awesome genius that she is. Shantavia, congrats to you again.
Thank you.
Awesome. A founder of Edufocal Limited, Gordon Swaby, an awards recipient, and Wolmerian Shantavia Cain.